Updating your email address on FuboTV is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the FuboTV website or open the app and log in using your current email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, look for an option related to email preferences or account information. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Update your email address. Find the field that displays your current email address. Enter your new email address in the designated space and ensure it is typed correctly. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm the changes and ensure your new email address is saved to your account. Once you have completed these steps, you should receive a confirmation email at your new address. Make sure to check your inbox and follow any additional instructions if necessary.